Hi, it's Tony, your Pop House Workshop, and it's time for a bit of a shop rant today. Some of you may know I started a part-time job at the Woodcraft in Iowa City, and they had a branded Woodcraft screwdriver there that I thought, might be nice to have one of those to put in my pouch for a shop. But as you examine those, here comes the rant, folks. They're just super outdated. You've got even the ones that can flip over and use multiple bits and whatnot, they seem to all be missing one thing. This is a double-ended bit, and if I put a single-ended Torx bit in there, it won't fit. It just falls out. And otherwise, like the one I looked at yesterday had two Phillips heads, and then the other one was two slotted heads. Slotted heads. Really? I mean, who of us besides Mr. Drew Fisher still uses slotted screws in a project? Come on. I know why Drew does it. But who of the rest of you are going to use slotted screws in your projects? Probably not, right? So I'd like to see manufacturers get with the times. Most of us have switched over to the Torx drives. It's just a better, safer, easier driving system than the Phillips or Robertsons or slotted. But you can't find any of these adjustable screwdrivers in that unless you want to pay high dollar. So we use a lot of the Power Pro Torx. It's T15s, T25s, sometimes a T30. But one question I have for you outside of my little rant today is, what is the most common Torx drive bit that you use in your shop? T15, T25, something else? Let us know in the comments. What's your Torx driver? And if you're a manufacturer of these types of screwdrivers, come on guys, give it the times. Throw a Torx bit in there, or the capacity in the unit for me to use just one of the small bits that you get in your cases of screws. That would be very helpful. So, rant over, I guess, for today. But if you've got a rant in the shop, let us know about it. What is it that just kind of peeves you about a tool that just hasn't grown with the times to adapt to what we're doing in the modern workshop? Hopefully you're having a better day in the shop than you are seeing me rant about. And we appreciate you taking the time to listen to this little rant and watch our videos. It really means a lot to us to see people enjoying what we're doing and commenting about that. So we appreciate that. Thank you very much. But as always, remember, you can do this.